this is how we built this home. Just to give y'all context, this was how the condo looked before any carpentry. So the first step is electrical works. And this first step is often unseen because all the wiring is behind the cabinetry. For this part, we would have to move certain existing power points to the new locations and also run points for carpentry, LED lights, etc. Step 2. Carpentry measurements. During this stage, there might be slight changes to the design in terms of measurements, and we also need to note beams or recessed areas so that the carpentry can wrap around it. Step 3. Fabrication. Before fabrication, we have an internal discussion with our carpenter to relay certain details specified by the architect. And here's where the magic starts. We start to see shapes forming in our workshop. As for the curved cabinetry, it usually takes a few days just to do a curved door. We would first need to create a mold for the door and then bend the wood according to the shape. It then has to be clamped for a few days so as to ensure the door retains the curved shape. The carpenter will lay everything out so we can see and check before installation as well. These recessed handles on the drawers also take more time due to its unique shape. Step 4. Installation. Most carpentry installations involve electricians, and this project is no exception. Look at all the wiring within the carcass of the cabinetry. What's challenging is the loft stairs light, because for every step we would need to solder an LED strip to have it switched on at the same time. Also, this groove detailing right here, well, we had to cut individual strips of laminate, stick it on while leaving a 3mm gap between each piece, and after that, silicone each and every groove twice. Some of the things we have to do on site includes cutting holes for power points or light switches, and also doing the routing for laminates and ABS edgings for the curved carpentry as well. And here's the final tour of the house. Hope you guys enjoyed the process, and we'll see you guys in the next one.